Hello guys, I just removed a dryer vent and I need to repair a brick wall and a drywall. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to repair a drywall. As you can see, the paint is peeling, so before making any repairs I need to prepare a surface by sanding the paint. I'm using 1x2 piece of lumber. This size of a lumber is used specifically to hang drywall on brick walls. Insert the lumber in the opening. Using drywall screws, attach a piece of lumber to the existing drywall. Measure the size of the opening. Cut out a piece of a drywall that fits the opening. For this job, I'm gonna be using a drywall jab saw. And install a drywall circle that you just cut out. And attach it with couple drywall screws. I like to use a fiberglass mesh tape because it has one side with an adhesive and it's very easy to stick to the drywall. I install one piece, then I install next piece on top of the first one, and so on. I use +3 joint compound that you can find in any hardware stores. And these are my joint knives. I have couple when I'm working on this size of the repair. Before doing a repair, mix well a joint compound. I'm applying the first coat of joint compound and I think I will have 3 coats in total. Allow at least 24 hours for the joint compound to dry, and then you can start sanding. And now it's time to apply the second coat of joint compound. Now I like how everything looks, but to make it perfect I need to apply the last third coat of joint compound. I'm gonna also include a list of products I used to make this repair in the description of this video. And this is the final result. And now I need to paint the repair. In one of the next coming videos I'm gonna show how to repair a brick wall after removing a dryer vent, so stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.